Hey guys, so I'm on my way to Newport Fall, and yeah, I'm wearing my new shirt, but you can't see it yet. Not because I'm not letting you see it, but because I'm in the car and it's like hard to see, so I'll show it to you later. Hi Henry. Hi.
It's that guy from that one colorful pocket video. What? Time for a bingo. 3, 2, 1, go! Yikes. Guys, if you're on staff, make sure you show up at 8:40 to 8:45.
Time to set up the room, and time to make ZZ great again.
You got this. Almost.
Tower.
Yeah.
140.
Yeah. Exactly.
Forgot how to do a V-perm. That's alright. Alright, so I basically competed in everything except for 3x3 and 2x2. And that means now I'm about to do 3x3 because I'm in staff, so we're getting all this stuff done ahead of time. I do 3x3 using ZZCT. So yeah, that's cool. Alright, so I just did my average with ZZCT. I knew the TSLE on 4 out of the 5 cases, and the other one I got the same TTLL as I did on the solve before it, so I was able to recognize it fairly quickly. Yeah, I'm now world rank 2 with ZZCT. So let's go. All right, so I basically did everything except for 2x2. Now I'm judging. Didn't do very well at one-handed, but I might make second round, not sure. I think that Speed Cube Shop, since they're sponsoring this event, got a little bit jealous of like the cubicle boxes for cube covers, so they made their own out of business cards. Very clever. For the record, it wasn't actually Speed Cube Shop who made that up, but I think it's a funny narrative to say that they did. It was just the guys scrambling over there. These guys right here. All of them. Wrong CLL. There's not no parity. Why am I doing parody again?
Hi, Casey. Am I in the vlog?
Oh, hey!
Oh my God.
Oh wait, and then I gotta wave like him, like. Alex made me into Casey Neistat, so. Alright, it's supposed to be the lunch break now, but the pizza's not here yet. So Nathan and I are gonna start a riot. Right, Nathan? What? See, he agrees. We canceled the riot. Their box building skills are improving. I'm pretty sure they're just doing it to mess with Kevin Hayes. Kind of. Oh!
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, okay. Got to judge. All right, guys, are you ready for this? Shane Grogan is the fastest runner in all of history. Like, I just put down a cube here. Now just wait like a second or two, and he'll be here.
Okay, so now watch. This is gonna get even better. Okay, so now we're gonna do this thing called quadratics, right?
A Rubik's Cube competition has turned into a math class for Nathan Soria.
And in first place, sorry, with an average of 7.9 is Max Clark. Okay. Thanks for coming.
Bye, guys.
Bye, friends.
Bye, guys. Thanks, Michael.